All right. This is Anthony F. AllYou'nAndroid.com. Here I am with the Galaxy Nexus, and if you are a fan, you will recognize this immediately. This, folks, is XBMC. Yes, Xbox Multimedia Controller. I believe that's what it used to be called. But since it graduated from Xbox and moved on to Linux and to every other platform, it is now XBMC. If you are a fan, you notice the similarities of the desktop version. I use the Windows version and I have used the Linux version. They're both very choppy, unless you have a very high-powered computer. Here we have the ticker tape, the familiar ticker tape that's on all versions. With the G-Nex, you would think that it is kind of fast. It would be a doable device for this. In my quick experience, the screen is kind of small for everything that it does do. Has all the standard features that XBMC comes with. Comes with the weather, which was one of my favorites. Funny enough, I can't figure out how to change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit. It does have the XBMC side tab there, so you can adjust some things. Haven't figured out how to adjust Celsius yet, but this is just the first test. I just installed it. 50 megabyte install is huge. So as you can see, the problem I'm having already is because this is a small screen comparatively. So even like that back button right there, super tiny. I'm pressing it, and I'm pressing it. The default buttons for Android kind of responds, but doesn't really respond. And if you heard that noise, that's the trademark noise on XBMC, the back button. We have the pictures. Now here's where it's 100% XBMC. Here you can change the source. You can add sources. Just like the full platform, you can change where it is, where it's going to go. It's really great. You can, let's see here, you should be able to actually SMB is basically a network to see what's happening on your network to connect. File system, the UPnP device, Windows Network, SMB, as well as Zero Config browser. So right now, this phone is not connected to my Wi-Fi, so we can't do any of that testing right now. But all of the tools are right there, folks, just like the desktop version. That's pretty impressive. It's not that intuitive, though. You would think, okay, I want to go back to this main screen. That would just, hop out the way. That doesn't happen. So let's see here. Let's put the X up here. If I can aim properly. All right, it moved. And we're going to go to cancel here. Cancel. All right. Same symbols that are on the desktop. Let's see if we can get back to the home button. This is the default skin. So haven't had a chance to try the different skins. If you recall, there's a lot of cool skins on here. Gives you information that you need at a glimpse, like the temperature, weather, things like that. Also has the add-ons, videos, the music. Let's go to the music part and we'll check the add-ons so we can see the selection that we have here. Get that in the middle. Music, very good. So now we go into the add-ons. Start off with none. Funny enough, this is a 50 megabyte app, and it's kind of bare. So we could get more. Come on, you can do it. Okay, so I did it earlier. Apparently my fingers aren't responsive as much as it was previously. No problem. Yeah, it shows you a long list of web servers with music on it. It's kind of cool. Some of the problems that they say happening now to this nightly or this super beta version is that the sound stops and you get a black screen. Haven't gotten any of that yet, but it's still early. So now you can see it's sticking a little bit. It's not responding as fast as it was. I don't think there's a memory leak on it, but who knows right now. So this is interesting. Android apps, program add-ons, as well as add source to connect to more apps. Okay. So apparently I hit it a couple times too fast. I'm going to a thread for browser to browse Android apps. So let's go back. So we're going back and back. There we go. And here's the black screen. There we go. All right. So actually, this is a pretty stable build for a nightly. I haven't had anything crazy yet. Screen is small. I blame really any of the issues for that. So now I can actually see the apps that are on this Android phone. So let's see. I go to Slacker Radio. Oh, I didn't go to Slacker Radio. I want to talk. Look at that. And black screen in. Okay. All right. So that's just a quick test of what it can do. It's extremely powerful. The potential is limitless with the source, the add-ons, the plugins. I mean, this could be its own ecosystem here where developers can create apps and add-ons just for this program just inside Android. So that's really exciting. Let's see here. Let's check the system info, see what it gives me here. Okay. Just like the desktop version. Real cool. Free memory as we speak. The IP address. Screen resolution. Wow. Pretty cool. System uptime, battery level. Even has a look at that. A diagnostics. And it shows when it was compiled. So this version was just compiled the 15th, which was a couple of hours ago. Now that's the 16th midnight, after midnight. So this is a quick test of XBMC on the Galaxy Nexus. Probably next I'll test it on my bigger 10-inch tablet. I think that it would be more suited for that. But I wanted to throw it on there on something, see what, can be handled. I think we got a good, clear idea of what can and cannot be handled. There's two versions of this download or this nightly. It's the neon version, which is what this version is. And then the non-neon version or Tegra 2. So I'll probably be using the Tegra 2 app for my tablet. So this is Anthony F here, RNandroid.com testing XBMC. Good night.